Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Moto G24 Power smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see wrong pin. Okay, so you can see wrong pin entered. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key together. Now tap on power off to power off the smartphone. Okay, now press the volume down and power key together. Press and hold it. And now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to recovery mode. Here you can see here, as you can see here, go to recovery mode. Here go to recovery mode and confirm. And here you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key. Press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. Here you can see this is the Android recovery mode. Volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to wipe data factory reset. Here you can see wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And here you can see wiping data, formatting data, and here you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Moto G24 Power smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.